Hi, my name is Chris Reed.
Hi, my name is Kayla Hunt.
Hi, my name is Sam Wong, and this is our presentation for Sprint 1 for the nutrition tracking app.
So a little bit of an overview of our project. Our problem is wanting to have healthier individuals and finding that competitive edge. Um, Kind of like, for instance, people just want weight loss or weight gain for like muscle growth or just motivation, but also with an application that's easy to use. Our target is going to be all age groups, and some of our audience that we plan on is being young individuals in competitive sports, and maybe people in middle school, high school playing sports, or even people going into college. And after that, people who just want to be fit like they were back in the day, or maybe like middle-aged people who are pretty thin in their 20s or 30s and kind of want to look like that again, or maybe people who are currently fit right now and just want to find an edge to reach that next level.
Through our user data and research, we were able to see what existing solutions already have and what features were the most important. So some of the most important features that users wanted was the ability to track your exercise time and the calories burned, and also integration with barcode scanners, so you can just scan the box or the bag for food to add them to the log. But some of the things they didn't have was the availability of a lot of health data outside of just the regular calories burned during exercise.
Our first solution for this is actually a bloodstream nutrient tracking app. It's a device that's going to be able to plug into your bloodstream, collect nutritional data from your blood, and then export that data in real time to a application on your mobile device. Inside that mobile application, you're going to be able to track all of your macro and micronutrients, set target goals for the nutrients, as well as analyze your blood's oxygen and chemical levels to better your performance throughout the day. And for our first learning prototype, we would actually want to answer the question of how feasible it is to create a device like this, which is compact, accurate, and mobile. To get this accomplished, we would actually find similar devices like an insulin pump and modify them to try to collect data for your macronutrients, which should be the easiest nutrients to track inside of your blood, and then test how accurate our device is by getting actual professional blood work done, as well as seeing how comfortable it is to wear throughout the day.
One of our ideas is a fantasy weight loss. So basically, it's just an application. You'll have a website and an app, and you'll kind of like pick your team per se, which can be like food groups or something like that, maybe, or types of workouts, or maybe bodybuilder or CrossFit, or just certain types of like equipment. And per week, you go up against somebody, or you can go up like against everybody. Maybe it's like a team of five, and you basically get points per week. And then at the end of the season, there'll be like playoffs and then like winners, and you can see each other's results in the app. So it kind of gives you like motivation to work harder. So it'll basically just be like fantasy football, but for working out and weight loss. We also want to see how expansive our databases can be, and by creating a minimal app, how to access that data and measure how much and how fast we can access all the data.
One of our proposed solutions is a wearable device nutrition tracker. So this would interface with your Apple Watch or your Fitbit and allow you to get more than just calories for health data. So we can track heart rate, calories burned, obviously sleep and things like that to get more personal statistics and more overall view of the person's health and the way that relates to their diet. So one of the things we need to look at is athletes, what's important to them, and as well as how to display these statistics so that people can have a good overall view of their health.
This is the potential technical architecture that we will use for our application. As far as platforms that we use for programming assignment number one, we used Android Studio, which we liked, as you could adjust the UI in real time, but we'll probably use Flutter because it was easier for us to comprehend, as well as it works with Android and iOS devices. For the backend, we did like Firebase because you could authorize each user and then store each user's data inside their own personal collection. This will make it easier for us to log each of the users' nutrients as well as track them throughout the day. We do recognize that we'll probably be using a middleman server, which will access the food list inside of the database, parse it for each of the users' requests for the food, and then store that nutrient inside of their own personal collection so we could do calculations. Thank you for listening.